Hi friends, welcome to my channel Edu Bytes. Okay, so today we are continuing our previous chapter. So that is indices. So in this chapter we will mostly discuss about the problem. So in the last chapter we mostly discussed about theory. So if you have not seen this chapter, so I would like to request you please go through it and then you come back to this chapter, so it will be easier for you to understand. Okay, so today we have mostly discussed about different problem or indices, right? So this is the first problem. So what is that problem? 81 divided by 81 divided by 16, right? 81 divided by 16 to the power to the power sorry minus 3 by 4. So what is that? So previous chapter already have discussed that if you really wanted to get rid of this problem, minus problem. So if any minus sign is existed on the power on the power section, so we have to get rid of this minus sign. So how we get rid? So suppose it is written as a to the power minus n. So how we can make it as a positive minus n to by a positive n? So simply we have to reciprocate that a to the power minus n to the a to the power n. Simple thing. So here also same thing is happening. So if you really wanted to get rid of this minus of this power, so you have to make it reciprocation is happening to do. So 16 by 81, okay, right? So by 3 by to the power 3 by 4, right? So we are not making reciprocation on this on the power sections. We are making reciprocation on the number section. This is the number section, 81 by 16, right? So what is 16? 16 simply you can write 16 as a 2 to the power 4, right? Why 16 to the power 4? Simple thing. 16, if you write 16, so 2, 2, 2, 4, third 2 is 4, 8, another 2, 8, 16. That means 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. 81, 81 how it comes? 81 also 3 to the power 4. So if you multiply 3, 3 to 3, 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27, 27 into 3 is equal to 81. So 3 to the power 4, right? So 3 to 2 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4. So simple thing, by to the power 3 by 4. So what is that to do? So if you have this 2 per power on the power section, that means you have to multiply it. So simple thing, I'm giving an example previously, that is a, if it is a to the power m and power is another power a to the power m to the power n, a to the power m to the power n. So you have to multiply the power a to the power m multiply by a to the power n, that means a to the power m n. Simple thing. So here also change simple, 2 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 4. So simply what is that? So again have to write 2 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4. So power, what is the power is that? 3 to the power 4. 3 power 3 to the power 4. That means 3 to the power 4. So simply, so we have to we can make a multiplication is happening. So we can make 2 to the power 4 multiply by 3 to the power 4, right? And downside 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4 multiply by 3 by 4. So 3 by 4, 3 by 4, right? So if we cut to 4, this 4 is cut gone. That means 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3. Again this 4 and this 4 is cut. That means 3 to the power 3. That means 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8 and 3 to the power 3 is equal to 27. That is the answer, right? So you have to, I think you understood the problem. If you have any doubt regarding the understanding this problem, I would like to request you, please make a comment in the comment section. It will be easier for me to understand, and please note down this mathematics, so it will be easier for you to understand. Now go to the next problem. What is the next problem is that a to the power minus 1, right, plus b to the power minus 1 divided by ab to the power minus 1. So again, we can make a reciprocation a to the power minus 1 if you really wanted to get the problem from the get rid of this minus problem. So we can make a reciprocation 1 by a to the power 1, right? Just a minute. We can make a just a minute. Uh, so it will be easier for you to understand, right? So 1 by a to the power 1, right? We are making reciprocation. That means 1 by a to the power minus 1. We can write this 1 by a to the power n, because we have to make a reciprocation to get rid of this minus problem. Again 1 by b to the power 1. Again have to make a just a minute. So 1 by b to the power 1. So and again you have to divide it 1 by a b to the power 1, right? So what is happening? So simple thing. So ab you have to make addition. So ab upper b is going to b multiply 1 b, that means b plus a multiply 1 b plus a 1, and divided by 1 by ab. So what is happening? So if you 1 by ab, so if you b plus a by ab, b plus a by ab. So if we make a division of 1 by ab, so you have to get the multiplication. Again you have to put a reciprocation of this number. This is the downside. So ab, right, divided by 1, because reciprocal is happening if we make it on the upside. So ab is cut. So b plus a is the answer, right? I hope you can understand the problem. So I would like to request you, please write down this problem so it will be easier for you to understand, right? Now the second question, third question. What is third question? Third question is that, what is third question? Third question is that 4 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 7, right? Again 6 to the power 10 to the power minus 5, right, divided by 8 multiplied by 10 to the power 10. So simple, what is happening? So we can make it multiplication like that way. 4 into 10 to the power 7 minus 7, right? Again multiply 6 is 6 to the power 10 to the power minus 5, and on the downside or denominator side 8 to the power 10 to the power 10. Okay, so if the base is same, so we can make an addition on this by addition on the power side. So what is that? Before you have said the, so if a to the power m multiplied by a to the power m, so both the base is same, the base is a, so you can write it as a to the power m plus n. So simple thing is happening here. 4 into 6, so 4 into 6 2 gone, 2 again cut, 3, 3. 10 to the power 5 minus 10 to the power 7. So what is happening? 10 to the power minus 7 plus 10 to the power minus 7 plus 10 to the power minus 5, right? Divided by 8 multiplied by 10 to the power 10. Simple thing. So what is happening? 10 to the power minus 7 plus 5 plus minus 5 minus 12, right? Again 8 multiplied by 10 to the power 10. So the base is same. So what is happening? Minus 12. So suppose a to the power m divided by a to the power m. So you simply can write as a to the power m minus n. If the both the base is the same, denominator as numerator. So you can write 10 to the power 12, 10 to the power 12 minus 10 to the power 10. So we can write 10 to the power minus 12 minus 10 divided by 8, right? So 10 to the power minus 12, so minus 10, minus 22, 10 to the power minus 22 divided by 8. So this is the answer, right? This is the answer. So I hope you can understand the problem. And again I would try to request you that please write down this problem. It will be easier for you to understand, right? So but don't feel this is tough. So it is very easy, but try to solve it. If you don't start playing on the field, then how you can understand that the game is tough or game is not tough, game is easy. So first of all, you have to understand, if you have to start doing this practice, okay, right? So this is the last problem for this today. It's 27. So 27 to the power 2n to the by 3, right? And multiply by 8 to the power minus n, right? Minus n by 6, right? Divided by 18 to the power minus n by 2. So as of now, whatever mathematics we have studied, in the power side, mostly we have normal number. So there is no numerator is happening. So this is the first time. You can find this kind of number, I think so. So simply you can write 27 matlab 3 to the power 3. If you make 3 into 3 into 3, sorry, that is 27, right? So simple 3 to the power 3. So 3 to the power 3, 27, and multiply to the and what is the power? 2n by 3. Again we can write 8 as a 2 to the power 3. 8 as a 2 to the power 3 to the power 3 to the power minus n by 6, right? Divided by 18. We can write 18 as a 2 to the power 9. 2 multiplied by 9. Or you can write 9 as a 3 to the power 3 square. 3 square minus to the power minus n by 2, right? So simple, you can multiply both the sides. So 3 gone, that means 3 to the power what is happening? 2n. 3 to the power 2n, right? 3 gone, 3 to the power 2n multiply what is 3 to the power 3 and 3 and 6, that means 2 2 the 2 to the power 2 to the power 2 to the power minus n by 2 minus n by 2, right? Minus n by 2, what and denominators part 2 to the power minus n by 2 to the power, because when upside in on the outside in the power minus n by 2, that means you have to use power of both of the number, that means 2 to the power minus n by 2 and multiply by 3 to 3 square, that is 9, 3 square into minus n by 2, right? And so 2 to the power minus 2n by 2, this is 2 to the power minus 2n by 2, 2 to the power minus 2n by 2, you can cut it, right? That means what is left for us? 3 to the power 3 to the power 2n, 3 to the power 2n divided by this 2 gone, that means 3 to the power minus n, right? So simply you can write it as a, if both the base is same, just like that, again a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So you can simply write it as a to the power m minus n. So simply here over simple here also same thing as you can use it, 2 to the power 2n minus, okay, again minus n, that means 3 to the power 3n, right? So 3 to the power 3n, that is the answer. So I hope you can understand the problem. So if we again I am telling you, if we have any query regarding this problem, please try to make a comments in the comment section, that I can at least I can solve you out. I can get back to you. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, because by subscribing my channel only you can help me, right? So thank you very much. Again, before I leave, I would like to request you, please share this video with your WhatsApp friends as well as Facebook friends, because we have put lots of efforts to creating those videos. So thank you. If you subscribe, that will be only help for me. Thank you very much.